It is my 8-year steak blogging anniversary today, so I'm going to stay home and do a little bit of cooking and show you what I'm up to. Today I got a little porterhouse that I picked up from the grocery store. Let me show you. There it is. It's not too thick, so that means it's going to cook fast. I don't have to thaw this out all the way. You can see it has this heavy ridge of fat on the strip side. What I'm going to do with that is score it. That way it doesn't curl up when you cook it, because sometimes if there's a heavy ridge of fat, the meat will want to curl up when the heat starts to develop on it. I could cut it off, but some of that fat will render out and give it flavor, so I don't want to lose that. And the scoring will actually help the fat render out faster too. I've got this nice Cangshan blade here. It's from a carving set. It's a little bit overkill, but I'm excited to use it, so I'm going to use this throughout the process today, scoring, slicing, everything. Right out of the box, that blade was nice and sharp, ready to rock, really great. So now what I'm going to do is take some dry peppercorns, the Szechuan peppercorns, and toast them in some chili oil to get the flavor to build up inside the oil. And then I'll cook the steak in a little bit of that oil. Alright, now that that's ready, the oil's set, I'm going to salt my steak. Just salt, no pepper on each side. And then I'll hit the pan, it's ready to go. The pan's nice and hot. I moved all the peppercorns to one side. I don't want them to get stuck underneath the meat and create steam pockets. I want to get a nice sear, so that's why I have just the oil and the pan exposed. But I still want that peppercorn flavor, so that's why I'm leaving them in the pan, so that they continue to impart flavor into the oil. Alright, here we go. Into the pan. The bone is higher than the level of the meat, so it created a steam pocket, and that's why you see the good crusty sear here and on the fillet side, but not in that one area next to the bone. I think it's ready now, and I'm going to pull it off and let it rest for a couple of minutes before I slice it up. Pretty good meal, despite not getting a great sear that I wanted. But the flavor was awesome, came through from the peppercorns and the chili oil. The knife set was really what shined for me today. That was great. Really went through like butter. Super sharp, super clean lines. Loved it. I'll be using that again next week on something a little bit bigger. See you soon.